Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak in certain areas, this video will help you install the SYSTENE Wi-Fi Extender using the manual setup method. The browser setup allows you to configure the extender directly through the setup page and connect it to your router. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners who want to extend their wireless network and remove Wi-Fi dead zones. Follow the instructions carefully to complete the SYSTENE Wi-Fi Extender configuration and enjoy stronger internet coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the SYSTENE Wi-Fi Range Extender into a wall power outlet close to your main router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the device to power on. The power LED light will turn solid, which means the extender is ready for setup. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or computer. Look for the extender's default Wi-Fi network name, SSID. It may appear as something like SYSTENE_EXT. Click on the network and connect to it. You usually do not need a password for the default extender network. Open Chrome/Edge/Safari browser. In address bar, type one of these, 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. If page not opening, make sure connected to extender Wi-Fi and also turn off mobile data. Login screen appears. Enter username and password, both are admin. Click Login. If not working, check sticker on extender. After login, you will see options. Click Repeater Mode or Range Extender Mode. This tells extender to copy your router Wi-Fi. Click Scan or Search Wi-Fi. List of Wi-Fi networks appears. Find your home Wi-Fi name. Click Connect. Make sure correct Wi-Fi chosen. Now type your router Wi-Fi password carefully. Check spelling, check capital letters, or don't add extra space. Then click Connect/Apply/Next. Extender will reboot. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Lights will blink, then become stable. Do not unplug during this step. Now go to Wi-Fi settings again. You will see new network like your Wi-Fi name _EXT. Connect using same Wi-Fi password. Internet should work now. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.